Good morning, boys and girls. It's Wacky Wednesday. We're going to get started with our morning work. We're on Unit 4, Week 1, Day 3. The directions say edit and write each sentence correctly and circle the adjectives. Remember, adjectives are used to describe nouns. They could describe how many nouns, right? So, number 1, don't mumble when you give a loud cheer. You're going to fix it up and rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Go ahead and pause your video for number 1. Number 2, someone ate the red apple. You're going to fix up number 2 and rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video and do number 2. Daily math review, you know what to do there. Number 6, does the picture show halves, thirds, or fourths? Circle your answer. Number 7, you're going to add 153 and 435. Number 8, the height of a bottle of glue is about, is it 5 feet or is it 5 inches? And number 9, write the amount shown in 2 ways. So remember that a quarter is 25 cents. So you're going to show that in dollar notation and then dollar and cent notation. Pause your video, do those. We're going to start checking from the top. All right, number 1, don't mumble when you give a loud cheer. So the first thing I want to do is make sure this has a capital, because all sentences should have a capital at the beginning. Then we've got, let's see, mumble is spelled incorrectly. So we're going to circle it, right? There's 2 syllables. The first syllable says mum, right? And then the second syllable says bull, so b, and then le says ul, so mumble. So don't mumble when you give a loud cheer. Looks like we need a period at the end. And then we're going to rewrite number 1 nice and neat and then find the adjectives. All right, that one's looking good. So we're looking for a word that's describing another word. So that would be loud, right? Because what kind of cheer is it? It's a loud cheer. So loud is describing cheer, so that's the adjective. Number 2, someone ate the red apple. First thing I'm noticing is someone. Someone is a compound word, but it also needs to be capitalized because it's the beginning of a sentence. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to circle all that and then rewrite it nice and neat. Okay, so we got someone ate the red. Ooh, apple's not spelled correctly. So another 2-syllable word, right? Clap it out. Apple. So it's going to be app, right? Second syllable, pull. So I hear p, and then le, apple. Then we're going to rewrite number 2 nice and neat and find the adjective. Okay, so the word red is describing the apple. Okay, let's go down. Daily math review. Oh, we had this problem I think yesterday. 4 plus 7 is 11. 3 plus 4 is 7. 9 plus 4 is 13. 8 plus 2 is 10. 4 plus 8 is 12. We had a couple of those problems. All right, number 6. Does the picture show halves, thirds, or fourths? Circle your answer. So I'm going to draw some circles. So this circle, I'm going to cut it in half. Okay, so I don't think that matches my picture. I'm going to draw another circle. I'm going to cut it into thirds, which means 3 parts. Okay, that doesn't match my answer. So then let's cut this one into fourths, right? That matches, right? So that's the one we want. All right, we're going to add these together. So we always, let's see, 3 and 5 is 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 100 plus 400 is 500. So 588. No regrouping needed. Number 8, the height of a glue bottle is about, so 5 feet. I'm a little bit over 5 feet, right? So I haven't seen a glue bottle that big. So typically a glue bottle is going to be 5 inches, right? Because an inch is about 1 segment of your finger. So glue bottle is about 5 inches. Write the amount shown in 2 ways. So these are quarters. So each quarter is 25 cents. Okay, now if you don't know how much 4 quarters is, you could rewrite it like this, and you could add it up. So 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus, lined up all my 10s, lined up all my 1s, 5, 10, 15, 20, write a 2 up here and a 0 here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so that's 100. So 25, that's 100 cents, okay? 100 cents is $1, so we could write a 1 right here. In dollar and cent notation, that's $1 and no cents. Or, just remember, 4 quarters equals $1. All right, nice job. Get started with your next assignment.